Hello, this is Liz with DC Digital, and today I'm demonstrating a new product called the DC-10N-CLK-59-12RM2. In this video, I'm going to go over how to use this product first and then follow up with hardware and features. So this is going to be used as a time of day network clock with 2 zone relays and a CLK module that controls a 59th minute reset relay and a 12-hour reset relay. And for the 59th minute reset, I'm going to use the analog clock that you see in the background. And then for the 12-hour reset, I'm going to use the black digital clock that's kind of laying on its back. And it has 2 zone relays as well, and those 2 zone relays work the same as the DC-10N-CLK-59. So I'm not going to cover those as much in depth. If you want to go over to the 10N-CLK video, then you'll see those in much more detail there. So what you're going to do for this is open up your IP setup and then find the device in the list that has the same MAC address. Hit launch web page. It'll bring you up to the same DC Digital EasyTime control protocol web page that it has for the 10N-CLK, and it also has the same network setup page. So for this, I'm going to show you the 12-hour reset and the hourly reset, or the 59th minute reset. But the 59th minute reset has 2 different resets. It has a hourly reset and it has a daily reset. So this is going to show the hourly reset. So what I've typed into the box at the top is 01115750. And what this is going to do is set the clock in the RM2 to 11:57 and 50 seconds. Even though it's a 4-digit clock and you can't see the seconds, they're obviously still there. And surely it will do the 59th minute reset on the analog. So it holds the relay, it closes the relay for 7 seconds, and then you can see it's correcting to the nearest hour. And then in just a few minutes, at 11:59:59, it'll do a reset for the digital clock. It'll turn the display off and turn it back on, and it'll be at 12 o'clock. So if the analog clock was correcting to 11:59 instead of 2:59, all 3 clocks would be synchronized at this point. And then after the 59th minute, after the 12-hour reset, I will show you the daily reset for the analog clock. So this uses the same Ethernet connection as the DC-RM10N-CLK, and that means that you can also connect it up to EasyTime. And I will show you that after I start the daily reset for the analog clock. So just a few more seconds for the digital clock, and then we will go from there. All right, So the digital clock is now synchronized with the clock on here, and the analog clock is synchronized to the hour, even though it's a couple of hours ahead. So for the daily reset, I'm going to do 01 and then a colon 5750. And then there we go. All right, so that reset is going to take a little while to complete, so I'm going to move on while it's resetting in the background. So like I said earlier, it can connect with EasyTime over the network as well. And I'm not going to show the virtual COM port setup again. I have a video that I already did for the DC-10N-CLK-59 that will cover that, and I'll make sure I link to that. But I already have it all set up. So for the COM port, it's going to be on COM port 5. So I'm going to go ahead and open up EasyTime. And you can see that the device immediately connected to the EasyTime, and it's now getting the EasyTime time. It's now getting time from EasyTime instead of being controlled from the web page. So this is how the RM2 is usually going to be run, because it automatically gets time from EasyTime, and then from there the resets are controlled by the clock itself. So even if it loses connection to EasyTime, it'll still do the resets for the 12-hour and the 59th minutes. All right. So there are also buttons on top of the case to control the relays individually. So the leftmost one will do zone 1. The second one will do zone 2. The third one will do an hourly reset for the 59th minute, but it's still running, so I'm going to leave it alone for now. And then the last one is the 12-hour reset. So if I push that button, it's going to shut the thing off manually and start it again at 12. So I believe the 59th reset is almost done. So let's see it finish up. There we go. So now that it's done, I'm going to send it another hourly update. So it will update to 7 o'clock. And I believe that is it for all the different functions on this. So it also has a smoke lens, and that's what that looks like. I had to have it off because we didn't have holes drilled for the different relays, and that's because there are 2 holes in the back of the case that the wires can come out of, or like in the DC-10N-CLK-59, you can have them come out the sides. So we don't send it default with it coming out the sides or the back, but we do send the plugs to, and that'll let you decide which one you would rather use. Okay, so the digit size on this clock right here is going to be 1-inch red segmented LEDs, and the case is a NEMA 4X enclosure, and it has a smoke lens that's not attached. If you want to see it attached, it is attached in the DC-10N-CLK-59 video. And then for mounting, there's going to be 4 through holes on the back side of the case. And this takes 120 volts AC, 60 hertz, and there's a 3-prong 6-foot power cord that comes out the side. And the connections that you'll have to make on the inside are going to be on all these relays. They all are labeled either arm, open, or closed. And then, like the DC-10N-CLK-4, all of the relays have a 360 watt rating. So you will need to fuse the wires going into the relay just in case, because you don't want to burn up the relay or damage any of the clocks connected to it. And I believe that is it. So all of our products are manufactured and assembled at our location in Carlisle, Ohio. So if you like this product and want to order it, or if you have any questions about how we can customize any of our products for your specific needs, please contact us using the link in the description. Again, this has been Liz with DC Digital, demonstrating a new product called the DC-10N-CLK-59-12 RM2. Thank you.